In ancient warfare, victory and defeat were not left to chance. Generals and strategists carefully analyzed various factors to determine the outcome of battles. They would consider the commanding officer's leadership, the soldier's abilities, the harmony of heaven and earth, the adherence to laws and regulations, the strength of the army, the training of the troops, and the clarity of rewards and punishments. By evaluating these aspects, they believed they could predict success or failure on the battlefield. Those who heeded their advice would likely emerge victorious, while those who ignored it would face inevitable defeat. So, in the words of the ancient strategists, listen to my counsel and you will prevail. Ignore it and you will be doomed. They believed they could secure victory in adversity by understanding and applying these principles. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on ancient warfare and strategy.